we came to the last speaker, Dr. Hanaa Diab Khalafalla. She is going to speak ethical and legal issues in scientific pediatric research from Faculty of Nursing, Cairo University.
Good evening. Firstly, I would like to thank the President of Conference, Dr. Amal Bishlawi, and Dr. Azza Mustafa for inviting us with Professor Dr. Huwaida Ahmed Hussein to introduce it in this conference. Now I will talk about ethical and legal issues in scientific pediatric research, ethical principles that serve as a framework for human subjects research, such as beneficency, justice, and autonomy, and the other important principles be considered when conducting a research. Beneficency and non-maleficency are moral obligations to act for the other's benefit and prevent possible harm, as it applies to healthcare and research. Therefore, the researcher has to ensure that the research question is significantly sound. Justice is the ideal distribution of risk and benefits throughout a population when conducting research. The inclusion and exclusion of subjects in research protocols should be based on a valid scientific questions and not based on discriminatory factors. Autonomy is the belief that a rational individual has the capacity to make an informed decision, the ability to make decisions according to a variety of factors such as age, developmental stage, and other. Informed consent is based on the ethical principle which discussed in the National Commission in 1979 informed that it is the legal permission that a patient voluntarily agree to participate in a research study. Fidelity and veracity are the research principle which concerned with the building of trust between the researcher and the participant to build a trusting relationship. Confidentiality is also essential to the relationship between researcher and participant. The participant has the right to be willed or unwilled to provide all the required information to the researcher. Finally, we can conclude that ethical principles supported ethical thinking in health care research. Any research project while increasing ethical questions that the researcher has to answer. This principle can be used as a framework to guide the researcher through the research process implementation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hanaa.
Dr. Hanaa.
أنا
بشكر الدكتورة هناء على حضورها ومبدئيا بشكر الدكتورة أمال والدكتورة عزة على إشراك الكليات الأخرى.
ربنا يخليك. ميرسي يا دكتور.
أنا بس متحيز كمان عشان كنت عميد كلية الطب.
لا أهلا وسهلا بحضرتك والله. لا إحنا كمان يا دكتور بصراحة دكتورة أمال من الناس اللي بتشجعنا إحنا إن إحنا نيجي ونقول توك ويعني بتسبورت دايما والله. ودكتور هويدا احمد حسين ودكتور عزه مصطفى طبعا من الناس اللي بتشجعنا احنا ان احنا نشارك مع حضراتكم.
تمرين يا بنتي علي يعني كورنر ستون في الطب يا احمد.
ربنا يكرم حضراتكم والله. ميرسي جدا لتواجدي مع حضراتكم وفخر لي ان انا اقول في البرزنتيشن. شكرا.
Thank you very much for all the speakers, the chairpersons, the audience, and now we will end the first day. We'll close the session and the first day and invite you for lunch.